today's menu is a 3-ingredient bread which is just ideal for breakfast and tiffin. You can make it at any time with minimum time, and I guarantee you it's delicious to taste and you'll make it again and again. I took it along with dahi or curd and some sabji or vegetables. Look at the beautiful appearance of the bread. So let's start. Hi friends, welcome to a recipe in Kalashuna channel. I have used all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoonfuls, and semolina around 2 tablespoonfuls, plus some refined flour or maida. You can see the measurements in the video itself. It's a totally arbitrary measurement. You can increase or decrease the ingredients according to your will. This is jaggery in order to make the bread sweet so that even little children will like it for their tiffin. Do not use sugar because sugar is a health hazard. So that is why I had replaced it with jaggery. This is a liquid dough bread, and first you have to mix the dry ingredients very well. Now I make a batter with a little bit of milk, but the milk will be absorbed very quickly by the semolina. So after the dough becomes thick like this and your spoon refuses to move, just add water little by little. Do not add too much water at a time because then there will be lumps remaining, and we have to make the batter very well so that there are no lumps remaining. Here, this is the consistency of the dough. So this is another of the liquid dough breads. Keep it for resting for around 10 to 20 minutes. I heat a non-stick pan. They come out very well in non-stick pan, but you can also make them in woks. There, I brush a little bit of white oil like this, and then allow the wok or the non-stick pan to be heated. Just add a little pinch of salt to enhance the taste before making the breads, and spread the dough like this on the pan. You have to spread the dough and wait for around 1 minute. You have to be very careful so that if you stir it before 1 minute, it will all spread and split. You can see that the liquid dough is getting cooked by the appearance and change in color. Just from the sides with a spatula, you can make out whether the lower surface is cooked or not. When the lower surface is cooked, it will come out. Look at the change of color, which indicates that the dough is getting cooked. There, it was raw there, and that is why it got stuck. You can see the beautiful perforated appearance of the dough, and the bread, once one side is done, is turned over to another side. Similarly again, the next bread is being spread by me over the non-stick pan. You have to fill in the blank spaces so that the dough spreads evenly, and since it is not very thick, it will not split. You can see the change in color, and that indicates the cooking is being done. Just stick your spatula from the sides to separate it from the non-stick pan and give a flip and turn it over, just like this. Look at the beautiful perforations and the beautiful color after it's cooked. This golden color of the bread indicates that the cooking is done. We are just cooking the other side and then taking it out. You can see the perforations which develop automatically. It's a type of pita or a sweet bread which is prepared during the winter seasons with rice flour. But I am not using rice flour here. I am using all-purpose flour so that it's easier to cook and make. Next comes another one. You do not have to mind about the shapes. I assure you any shape will do and taste equally good. The white places indicate that it is not cooked. Just like this, insert your spoon or spatula and turn over or flip over the bread. Look at the beautiful perforations that have developed naturally. Do not use too much oil because this bread comes out very well in a little oil. I have fried this one too much, and that is why the other side was semi-burnt. Look at the beautiful golden color. There. If you like my recipe, please do like, share and comment, and of course do not forget to subscribe. To all my friends, please feel free to give any advice you want to give. I'd really appreciate your advice and suggestions. So please feel free to use the comments box. Also, I request you to try out my other recipes in my Kaloshona channel. All my recipes usually stem from cooking for one person and alone, and easy availability of the ingredients. I usually go for recipes which do not require any specialized ingredient and also any specialized type of cooking. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please enjoy your bread, sweet bread. Thank you.